Hi, and I'm here with these grill replacement parts. They work with the Weber Genesis 300 with front control panels, okay? They come really nicely bubble wrapped. These are the heat deflectors. There's 2 in the box. They are 13¼ inches from here to here and 8.75 inches from here to here. You also get 5 Flavorizer bars, okay? And these are nice and big. There's 5 of them. Whew. They are 17½ inches across. You have an opening of 2.25 inches from here to here and 2.375 inches from here to here. So again, 5 Flavorizer bars, 2 heat deflectors. They are both 340 stainless steel, come bubble wrapped, very nicely packaged. And again, they're for the Weber 300 Genesis model with front control panels. So check your models, and I highly recommend, and I hope you enjoy.